What's up guys, Tyler here with another install video. Today we are doing the LTG larger throttle body kit. We got my Camaro. We sell this in two different configurations. One for our ZZP charge pipes and our intercooler kit. The other one is for stock charge pipes. Since I already had the intercooler, today I'm just going to do just the throttle body. The only difference between the two are if you have the stock charge pipes, our kit comes with an adapter. So it adapts the MAF. So we'll show you how to do this today. All right, so like mentioned, since I already have the ZZP intercooler, the only thing that we have is the new larger throttle body. The stock throttle body intake is only 59 millimeters, whereas the intake manifold opening is 67. So this will give you a little better throttle response and some more horsepower. All we need today for install, pretty straightforward and easy, is a 10 and an 11 millimeter socket. The 11 millimeter is for our charge pipes, and the 10 is for removing the throttle body. Other than that, you might need a screwdriver, or I have my little knife to pop off the connector, but we'll show you how. All right, so like I said, pretty straightforward. All you have is the 11 mil here to take off your charge pipe. You undo that, pull it back. You have 4 10 mils on the throttle body itself, and then the connector plug. So first I'm going to do the connector plug. Pretty easy. All you have to do is push in the gray portion, pull it back, set it off to the side, or just feed it up through there so that doesn't fall out of the way. Next, I'm just going to remove the charge pipe. And removing the charge pipe might be a little bit tricky because they are beaded at the end and rolled. They come off like that. All right, so all we have left is the 4 10 mils. We'll take those off real fast. You just want to make sure you don't drop those down underneath. So we can see we've got stock throttle body, larger throttle body. It's a considerable difference there. And on the reverse, you can see that the opening's quite a bit wider. It's tapered there, larger throttle disc. For reinstallation, all you do is the reverse is what we did. So 4 10 mils back on, plug the sensor back in, and then for my car, put the charge pipe back on, tighten it all up. And last, we just plug the throttle sensor back in, and you're good to go. It's that easy. Thanks guys, catch you on the next one.